The state of Texas is suing Netflix. The state's attorney general is accusing the streaming service of spying on Texans and collecting user data without their knowledge or their consent. The lawsuit also accuses Netflix of being addictive. A Netflix spokesperson said the lawsuit lacks merit and is based on inaccurate information. The company says it takes its members' privacy seriously and looks forward to defending itself in court.